मान्य स्मृति ईरानी जी मेरा उनसे आग्रह है कि आप लोग को संबोधित करें।
It is with a sense of deep rage that I will now say a few lines in Bangla and then translate it for those who suffer from not only the tyranny of distance but also the tyranny of language. From Sandesh Khali, women from SC, ST, fishermen and farming communities, while speaking to the media, have said, TMC party lok dekhe jabe kon barir bou dekhte shundur. Translation: men of the TMC party will come to homes and check which woman is beautiful. In Bangla, they said to journalists, Ke kom boishi, who is how young. The women of Sandesh Khali have said this to journalists regarding the TMC and their conversation with the husbands of women who are crying out for help. In Bangla, the husbands of these Hindu women were told, Tumi shami hote paro, kintu tomar kono odhikar nei. The Hindu women's husbands were told, you can be a husband indicating in name only, but you will now have no rights. Then the Bangla women have said to journalists about the TMC, Niye chole jabe rater por raat. They will take us night after night. They say, যতক্ষণ তাদের মনটা না ভরবে ততক্ষণ তোমার রিহাই নেই. Till the time the TMC men were not satisfied, night after night, you have no escape. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, these are the women of Sandesh Khali who are crying out for help, for protection. Mamata Bandyopadhyay is known for the genocide of Hindus. That she will now allow her men to pick out Hindu young married women to be raped night after night in the TMC office cannot be articulated in mere words. The question is, can we as citizens be mute spectators? Who is this man who is charged by the women of Sandesh Khali of mass rape of Bengali Hindu women? And I say this because these women, when they spoke to the media locally, said that they were particularly identified for being married and Hindu. Till now, everybody was wondering who is Sheikh Shah Jahan. Now the question is that Mamata Bandyopadhyay has to answer, where is Sheikh Shah Jahan? The last time, ladies and gentlemen of the media, you heard this name